got another discovery on the Giza Plateau. So let me show this one to you. So I've shown you before the AIP circle, which starts right here in the Holy Shaft. Let's get that right here in the Holy Shaft. So that's the center of a circle. And look where this circle goes. It touches the corner of Khafre, and it comes around, touches the corner of Khufu over here. It goes through the center of the Sphinx, just about the center of the Sphinx, and it goes through the center of Khenkawyes. So we're calling that the AIP circle. We've discovered that. We didn't invent it. It touches a major part of each one of these four major monuments on the Giza Plateau. Okay, but the one that I found today, which I thought is interesting, is start again on this middle of the Sphinx. So we'll use the radius of the second Sphinx. My friend Dr. Rada, who's worked for antiquities for a long time, has an office right near the Great Pyramid. As a matter of fact, his office is right over here. Dr. Rada has said that this right here, where I'm putting the line through there, that is the second Sphinx on the Giza Plateau. And look, it goes right through the Holy Shaft, right through the center of the AIP circle. So that's incredible. So that says to me, let's finish this circle here, goes through the Muslim cemetery down here. But that, starting again in the same circle, the AIP circle, where it hits the Sphinx, using that as the center, and then using the second Sphinx as a radius, because the second Sphinx is next to Khenkawyes, but this point is it right there. And then it goes right through the Holy Shaft, which is the center of the AIP circle. So that basically forms a Vesica Pisces right on the Giza Plateau, formed by the monuments, me not forcing anything, and it verifies to me that Dr. Rada is correct in suggesting this is the second Sphinx. We know that the dream stela between the paws of the Sphinx here indicates with pictures two sphinxes facing in opposite directions. Well, obviously the famous Great Sphinx here, the largest sculpture in the world as it's called, is facing east. But the second Sphinx right here, which has almost the exact same size, or a very similar size to the Great Sphinx, is facing west. It's just dilapidated. You know, the Great Sphinx wouldn't look anywhere near like it does today if it hadn't been renovated many times. This is, you know, sandstone which, you know, can weather very quickly. So without the restorations that the Great Sphinx had gone through, it wouldn't look like the Great Sphinx today. So the second Sphinx over here, again about the same size, carved in rock, very similar to this, hasn't been restored, but it's there. A Vesica Pisces on the plateau of Giza that pinpoints the second Sphinx. Dr. Rada, you are correct.